那个去的，我呢个把不说了不个去，把那不个呢去了个把不说了不去，大我呢，对面大扫完了，大我呢我了里叫水了，到去米呢，我不告诉你不那个，了来不归。khi anh yêu cái nhau đó cái lúc sau cuộc rồi sự muốn độ có dù lì sự muốn độ có đã là khi anh yêu cái nhau đó cái lúc sau cuộc rồi nó ta lúc khi anh yêu cái nhau đó cái lúc sau cuộc rồi này tôi ula vào cái chỉ cái thứ cái ra cái nhau đó cái lúc sau ra rồi đi cái rồi lọp phá nó mai tên nữa là ở khu này ta cái hay tê từ lo có bùa lọp phá có khơi lọp phá đủ phứ ama không nhớ là bắt sơ phô à không nhớ là bắt sơ pra hồ này cái này bác khá là cái nhau đó cái lúc sơ phô cái này tôi ula ba không lo là tôi ula ba này cái này bởi cái số đó gọi là có số liệu independent lulu là có số liệu từ mua đồ có số liệu bắt đồ có số liệu từ mua phi bố nó sẽ là có số liệu số bao sa có số liệu bỏ mua cái có số liệu sa cái nó khu này sẽ là bởi cái số đó cho là cái ở này là khu này cleo keyboard là cleo đó pass up là từ một số rồi clear bố clear đồ số tự nu mà nó clear đồ số tự nu clear bố đó bắt có số liệu clear bố clear keyboard là từ cái bỏ về clear bố này
bây giờ này nó chui ra bây giờ để kiếm nhiều đồ mà nào vậy tại sao phải lấy chung rồi đi à nó cái gì à cái này bây giờ phải chui này vậy đó mình ra đây lấy phụ chui đi chung mà nên sự chung mà này bây giờ khi đi qua là khi chui ra bây giờ nó thì con này cái đi sau khi nó cái nào tới bùa này hai cái từ đi hai cái àคนบ้าพายคนแต่มีบางอย่างเนี่ยแวบเปลี่ยนนี่ป่ะแต่พอจะล้อพอได้บางอย่างว่ากูโบยานี่ว่าจูว่ากูโบบุกยมาว่ากูโบเลยไม่ดูว่ากูโบว่าลองมาที่นี่ป่ะคนนี้ถ้าว่าคู่ผู้หล่อถ้าเรียกว่าก็มาตีลุมยูโตทักยาว่าคนนี้อ๋อไม่มีหูมือจริงๆแต่พอจะนี่ไม่ต้องหัวเลยบ้านดูยาสบายดูเลยแต่พอดูแล้วไม่เนี่ยแบบนี้ก็พยายามไม่ตายอย่างนี้เล็กที่นี่เขาก็ว่าไม่ทอดแต่นี่ว่าไม่จะเรียกกันนี่มีอ่ะอีกครับ
here this is my motherland I love my motherland I love my country I will fight for my country I will fight for my freedom I never give up I was born here and I will die here you play to pay you move by law pay บ้าคาเดียร์อยู่ก็ต่อได้ยี่ที่ก่อนอยู่ก็ต่อได้อยู่ปากลุยยี่ที่ก่อนอยู่หอกคุกปีอยู่ปากลุย
Here we have KNLA we have KNDO and also together plus DKB and Peace Council. The Karen must unite.
นี่မျိုးနဲ့လက်တွေ့သားနေရရတဲ့ကောစုว่าကတော့เนาะဒီသားရပတ်တယ်ရသိညာလေရတာတဲ့ကညောဖို့တဲ့တာစီတာပွားတာချုမဲ့ကေနာကိုဟာနေကနေမချေတယ်တက်လာလကေမဲပေါ်တယ်ဒီဒါနာဖာပေါ်ဒီဒါနာဖာကြီးဟဲဟာမရလူယူတဲ့လေပါယူတဲ့ရလိုက်တဲ့ကြီးဟာပေါ်လို့လေပါဒီတာမောရဖြစ်မှာတော့ဒီတာမလားနော်ရတဲ့ကရရပြန်တယ်နော်လေဒီမဲ့တဲလေတတော့တလို့တဖြစ်တာမှနေတော့တယ်ရတဲ့လေပွားရောက်ဖို့တဲ့နေလို့ကမှာကျဒူဒါအတမနေเนี่ยခုရကပွားရောက်တဲ့မှာကူမှာဖော်မှာကျမှာကိုစုချတဲ့ရတဲ့နေ
ပမဘာအောင်လေတဲ့ပတောပမဘာအောင်လေတဲ့ပတာစီအေးရွာတာပဲပပတာတဲ့
autonomy
Tamila tale body kane kele ke chap bola tamila community pu ko wa kana
In July, Na Kamway, colonel of 5th Brigade of the Democratic Karen Buddhist Army, or DKBA, also refused the deal to become a border guard force. Na Kamway's decision has resulted in a split from the rest of the DKBA, who made the transformation in an official ceremony last month.
Akone nko kwa khekhe ni taw ta ni di ni la ya khe ni pe yo na pha ni ma lo pha we ko bna pa ke na ma no ta tho ti jo ti ta dwa ti ba ko ni ta ti chi ye ni to bu ni ke lo pha at lo ko akamle ti pu ko ho ba a lo ko re ga cha ta pu ta li
Colonel Nerdar of the Karen National Liberation Army, or KNLA, another Karen armed force, agrees that the border guard force is not in the interests of the Karen people.
I don't think they want to be border guard unless they have no choice.
The KNLA, another ethnic army which has refused to become a border guard force, sees the struggle of the Karen as more important than any financial incentive.
They don't fight for money, they fight for their freedom. They don't fight for salary. The goal, what they're fighting for is their freedom.
Nerdar believes that troops from the DKBA may not be happy about the move.
Some people inside the ceasefire groups, they have some arguments about whether they want to be in the border guard or not. And some top leaders, we got the information.
But despite splits in armies like the DKBA, some see the controversy over the border guard force as an opportunity for ethnic armies to join together against the Burmese army.
Yeah, if they're fighting with the Burmese, and there is an old saying, the enemies of my enemies are my friends. You know?
As the elections approach, it is becoming increasingly clear that many ethnic groups who have been traditionally sidelined in Burmese politics do not have faith in the current government.
We want them to have a free and fair election, and we are watching. But if they don't have free and fair election, we're not surprised, because that's in nature.
But despite this, working with the Burmese army is something some say they might consider in the future under a fairer government.